Repair remedy. Designed to hydrate, soften and strengthen your hair, Aveeno Sunflower Oil Blend Shampoo helps revive heat-damaged hair so it's clean, moisturized and healthy looking. Nature's ingredients. Hydrate, soften and strengthen dull, dry hair with this scalp-soothing blend infused with sunflower oil and oat as its first ingredient. Free of. Aveeno Sunflower Oil Blend Shampoo is nature's remedy, that's why it's free of sulfated surfactants, dyes and parabens. Inspired scents. Aveeno Sunflower Oil Blend Shampoo features a bright fragrance with notes of red currant, sugared peony and vanilla. Help keep your hair looking clean and healthy with Aveeno Sunflower Oil Blend Shampoo. Oat is the first ingredient in this fresh blend infused with natural oils to help soothe your scalp and nourish your strands from root to tip. Aveeno Sunflower Oil Blend Shampoo is crafted with deep moisturizing and hydrating ingredients that are designed to hydrate, soften and strengthen dry, frizzy hair that has been damaged by the sun or a styling regimen. Free of sulfated surfactants, dyes and parabens. Ingredients. Colloidal oatmeal extract, water, aqua, sodium C14 to 16 olefin sulfonate, cocamidopropyl betaine, helianthus annuus, sunflower, seed oil, disunflower oil ethyl dimonium chloride, sunflower seed oil glycerides, paliquaternium 22, PEG 7 amodimethicone, linoleimidopropyl PG dimonium chloride phosphate, paliquaternium 39, glycerin, sodium hydrolyzed potato starch dodecanil succinate, PEG 150 pentaerythritol tetrastearate, PPG2 hydroxyethyl cocamide, laureth 4, glycol distearate, lauryl lactyl lactate, propylene glycol, acrylates, C10 to 30 alkyl acrylate crosspolymer, hexylene glycol, sodium citrate, citric acid, sodium hydroxide, sodium benzoate, fragrance, parfum. Directions. Apply shampoo generously to wet hair, massage into a lather through to ends, rinse hair thoroughly. After shampooing, follow with conditioner. Top reviews from the United States. The best. Absolutely love this product, the smell, the way it makes my hair feel, and this one is very hard to find, thankfully Amazon, this one is hands down our favorite.